This is the walk from the old farmhouse to the yurt cluster. Walking past the exciting composter. Off to the right, you see the big old oak tree and Kip's woodworking studio. We built this bridge in fall of '97. In high water in the winter, there's water flowing under it, but this time of year it's dry. And we get to the first yurt, the original yurt that I built in 1995. The rose over the arbor is called Cecile Brunner, a rampant grower. Which brings us to the new yurt. We built this one up on stilts so that it will survive floods, although honestly the old yurt hasn't had too many flood problems. In its first year there was a flood that went up to its floor level. That's not so bad. Hasn't been anything like that since. Beyond the yurt is one of the farm fields here. Eventually we're hoping to have grapevines. Grow grapes in here. And those greenhouses and sheds in the distance are soon to be animal shelters. We're getting chickens and ducks and turkeys and all that. Eventually we hope to have a deck around the new yurt, which will wrap around 3/4 of it. This is a black walnut tree on the right. That's the Costco shelter where we keep the car. And turning this way, our exciting laundry line. This is the vegetable garden, which has mostly roses in it, of course. This is the solar shower I built several years ago. Couple hundred feet of black tubing gives about a 4-minute shower. There's a sunflower in bloom already. And walking around this way gets us the back of greenhouse AB, which is our propagation greenhouse. The sound you hear are misting fans. Take a quick look in there. It's wet. The fog in the air is from the fans, of course. And now turning back toward the greenhouses and the rose garden. We have 5 greenhouses here. Used to hold our stock plants, now they just hold our mother plants. We'll walk through greenhouse 1. Of course, being a programmer, I numbered my greenhouses 0 through 4. Some things have gotten out of hand here in the greenhouse. I probably could have chosen a greenhouse that had more bloom in it. This is the main rose garden. About 3/4 of an acre of roses. I'll put the camera up so we can see out over the height. This is the miniature rose bed. one of the miniature rose beds. Since we shut down the retail part of the nursery and got rid of most of the employees, we haven't been keeping this garden up to its standards of show. But there are a lot of roses we're going to remove, roses that just we don't need anymore. They don't do very well around here. But then again, there are some roses that really do well here. I love this pile of them here. On the left, we have another miniature rose bed. As our rose garden grew, we eventually got smarter and started using this black plastic so we didn't have so much lawn maintenance to do, which was just a real mess, as you can see. Walk over here. This is greenhouse 4. Do a lot of breeding in there. Greenhouse 3 is pretty much empty. We've been growing tomatoes and things like that in here. But of course there's roses everywhere we go. Greenhouse number 2, which is almost impenetrable. Greenhouse number 1 that we just came through. Now over here, to get to this original part of the rose garden, we practically have to crawl. It just goes on and on. So that's pretty much our whole farm for our garden part of the farm. There's other parts where the animals are kept, and there's the forest parts of the farm. It's a diverse place. Let me crawl back through. Go this way. This is greenhouse 0. And this is a place I am going to have to crawl through. This is the part of farm I really enjoy. This is my filtration system that I built. And it's the shed I keep my motorcycle in. Back around to the propagation greenhouse. The other side of the vegetable garden that's mostly roses. And back to the old farmhouse. That's the tour.